Project Rebuilders, how are you doing? Martin here, and I've just come out of my latest physio session, so I haven't had my x-ray results or anything yet, but we're carrying on with the physio, and today was a fun one. We did a little bit of ultrasound, so just the machine, and it's bombarding you with those kind of sound waves and just trying to loosen things up in there. So I'm kind of used to that. We've done that lots, but then we did something new. And I've been waiting for this one, and it's an interesting one because it's Shockwave, so Shockwave Therapy. And he said, oh, it's going to feel like a hammer. So in my head, you know how you romanticize some things? In my head, it was, oh, shockwaves, hammer. Oh, it's going to be like Thor's hammer. So I'm a big Marvel fan, as you might know. So it was like, oh yeah. So you kind of, oh yeah, this is cool. You know, it wasn't like Thor's hammer. It was like basically it was like a pneumatic drill, and it was just this device that just pummels you, but with a kind of a very thin, I guess, end. So it really got in there, and you could do it like once, like if you think of like one of those like big staplers, and go dunk like that, and then sometimes you would let it keep going, so it would be like da, 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 like in the sound effects, really in there and down here and round there and up here and moving the arm at the same time. And I have to say, it wasn't the most pleasant experience. However, despite it not being quite as romantic as Thor's hammer, the movement in the arm was better. Like immediately afterwards, I was able to move my arm in a better range of movement without as much pain. Well, we'll take that, right? We will take that. So that's interesting. I'm liking that. So hopefully we might do a little bit more of that next time. So what can we take from this? Sometimes we've got these expectations of what something is going to be like I had with this. When really I had no idea what to expect, but you put two and two together and you go, oh, well, this could be fun. And it was fun. I love doing the new stuff. But it's not quite how you thought it was going to be. And very often when our expectations aren't met, we can often feel, oh, that's no good, or oh, it didn't work out, or there's usually some kind of negative feeling that we have when our expectations aren't met in any area of life. Well, sometimes that doesn't necessarily mean it's a bad thing. So today wasn't quite what I expected, but hey, I got a massive benefit from it. So certainly in my life, I've learned to, yes, have high standards. Keep your standards high, live to a high standard, but maybe sometimes lower your expectations, and you're in for a better life, a better quality of life. And just because something doesn't meet whatever your expectations are, doesn't mean it's bad. Sometimes you can get some great benefit out of it. You've just got to adapt your thinking, just look at it, be open to new things, but open to new ways of doing it, and open to it not being done in the same way that you thought it was going to be done, but maybe you're going to benefit. So there you go. Interesting stuff. Maybe see if you can apply that to your life. And until next time, because there will be a next time, stay safe, stay healthy, and keep rebuilding.